John, we weren't supposed to leave till 8:30 in the morning, and here it is 7 o'clock, man. What's going on?
Hey, you know what? I can't help it when the oil drain line is gonna give up the ghost. It decided to do it last night.
Last night I get a text at like 10 o'clock. I'm already sleeping, and John's like, hey, I know we're supposed to leave for the show at 8:30, but we got a problem. And I get a picture of a hole in our turbo oil drain line.
I think it's actually like kind of mostly gone on one whole side there.
So sun's just coming up, and we're gonna replace this, or repair, not replace. We're gonna repair it quick and try to get to the show this morning.
Yeah, but the best part is that it's freezing cold, man.
It is literally like 32 degrees this morning.
Ah.
So yeah, let's get to it. Got to it.
So that's what she looks like.
It's pretty bad.
So that's some steel braid in there, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's like a not a steel braid.
Yeah. Let's cut her clean and put a barb in there. I'm ready. We think we got this line fixed. John, you see any leaks down there?
Not gushing.
That's good.
No, I don't see any leaks. How the rig job work.
All right, let's get cleaned up. We gotta get out of here. We're supposed to leave already.
Well, as you guys can tell, we are on the road, so that's good news.
Where are we on the road to?
We are on the road to a grand opening for the detail lounge in Tucson. And last night, the oil drain line on the turbo broke. Like so bad that it was just gushing oil right out, right onto the exhaust. So bad, that's a bad thing waiting to happen.
Yeah, still smelling the oil burning off.
Yeah, oil still burning off the thing. Been on the road for a few miles at this point. We did have some other weird hiccup, don't know what it is. Car started to misfire. Hasn't really done that in about a year, actually, over a year since we were at the Optimus Street Car Challenge. It's been running really good. So I did have to reflash the computer on this thing just a couple of nights ago. I didn't have to, I guess, but I wanted to. I wanted to pull back the burble effect that I have, because when I drive this thing, it's just with the exhaust being right there, it's just filling the cab with fumes, and I can smell the unburnt gas. And so I know for a fact that for the burble effect, it adds more fueling to it. So I thought, I'm gonna just pull that out. Should be just a really easy, simple thing to do. Well, as I went into the MHD app, it prompted an update. Wouldn't go any further without it. And when I did that, it literally everything went to default on the MHD.
That's a bummer, man.
Fortunately, Jake from Motive was responding to me on the messaging app on Facebook. He was just coming back from the PRI show, and literally got off the plane, got home, and got on the phone with me, which was super cool. Thank you so much, Jake.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Yeah, so he walked me through it. I got the settings all back to where it should be, and I reflashed it. So it took a long flash, which is the full tune, you know, reflash. Started good, ran good to the shop. Car was at my house, ran good all the way to the shop, a few miles, except that I had the oil leak on the turbo. So not sure what's happening, but it definitely went into a pretty bad misfire. We had to pull over, shut the car off, and restart it. Everything's good. What is this thing? Ghostbusters car?
Yeah.
All right, well, so we're on the road, so Ryan's kind of just maybe in it right now, taking it easy. We're not doing anything stupid with it. We just want to get to this event. It's going to be a pretty cool event, and hope you guys enjoy this video. We're going to show you all the cars that are going to be at this grand opening. 1930 Model A. So we're cruising. Check it out.
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
My name is Marco Flores, and I'm one of the 3 business owners behind this creation, which is Detailed Out.
My name is Brandon. I'm also one of the owners. We have one more owner, Danny, somewhere around here, but it's kind of crazy right now.
So tell everybody what you guys do here. This is a really cool concept.
Yeah, so essentially it's like DIY car detailing, right? So you, as a car enthusiast, can be able to pull your car in here yourself, be able to take care of it. All of our wash bays is outfitted with professional, premium grade equipment. All the products that we sell are curated by us because it's what we use personally. Like, we don't sell anything that we personally don't stand by. Yeah, that's kind of the overall theme. We got a racing sim for people to come hang out on when they're here with their kids or something like that, right?
But it's not as simple as just coming in here and washing your car, right? I mean, we also have a lounge and have a membership set up as part of the business because we want people to essentially feel like they belong somewhere, right? And that's kind of like the vision of the business as well.
Yeah, super cool, man. I love it. So what do you guys have for bare steel bodies cars, you know, the product?
Right. Well, I mean, is it clear
water?
Yeah, they're covered. Because I mean, we got some waterless wash. You know, absolutely. And it does wonders. You don't have to take the pressure hose to it, so no need to worry about rust.
Super cool, man. Super cool. So I just got to tell you guys, this is really cool for Tucson. I think that it's cool to see the car culture, you know, kind of pulling, supporting you guys on this thing. You know, it's a really cool endeavor, and obviously we wish you guys the best, you know. So it was really nice meeting you guys, and thanks for the invite to come down here and hang out. So
I hope you guys had fun, man. It was a crazy day today.
It was a fun day, man. It was really cool. A lot of cool cars. So here we are at the Detail Lounge in Tucson. Really nice grand opening. A lot of good contacts here. So good networking for sure. Really nice place. These guys know how to do it. This is actually one of our friends right here. He just built this Acti. So pretty cool. But let's go check some more cars. Nice. Got the simulator right here. You can rent for parties. Got a cool entrance, man. Look at this signage.
It's a pretty cool place, man. A lot of nice rides out here too. A little bit of everything, but a lot of Beamers. These guys like their Beamers, kind of a Beamer crowd. But there's a little bit of everything, even some old rat rods if you didn't notice. That's a cool Supra.
You guys have a wonderful day.
See what I mean, dude? Here's a familiar car. We know this guy. We go back a couple days. Good old Joaquin. The old 32 vet. His answer was no, it's still busted, but he's still driving. Mustang driver.
What? I think they're the same as BMW drivers. What are you talking about? cleaner G35. Ready to go.
Twin air cleaner cause twin turbo? I don't know.
I like this little RS3.
Yeah, sure.
Do this one. Oh, dude, we got a right-hand drive. Is this a 40 or is this a Sylvia? Would this be a Sylvia then?
I have no idea, dude.
I think it's a Japanese JDM. I think they're Sylvias. I don't know.
It's all debadged.
180 Samurai. You don't like them.
So good, love it. Go.
So John, I had a great day today at the show, dude.
Yeah, that was a really good time, man. Those guys at the detail lounge are cool dudes.
They are. They are.
Every
Dude.
one of them.
They've got their stuff together. They got a really cool idea. I think they're gonna pull this off, and it'll be a prosperous business for them, man.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna get together with them and kind of brainstorm a little bit as to what kind of content we can collab on, you know, and have some fun. So with Duke, with his crazy rat rod, and maybe even Joaquin, you know, get him in with the rat rods. So I have like a few rat rods in there detailing.
And you know he's in.
That'd be so classic, you know.
Oh, dude.
I mean, at least I got wheels I can like really shine up and do a nice job on. But it's kind of a fun spoof, you know.
Right.
All in all, the car actually ended up doing good. It's running good now.
Yeah,
I think the secret sauce is to not let Ryan drive it.
Oh,
I already knew that. I already knew that before I went into it, but I was like giving him the benefit of the doubt, just letting him drive it, you know, one at a time, and sure enough, he breaks it down, man. I don't know how he does it.
Oh, fun times, man. Fun times.
What's up, dude? As we hold up traffic.
All in fun, all in fun. But hey, we hope you guys enjoyed the footage of the show today. Keep following us, give us a like and subscribe, you know, and we'll see you next time.
Later, guys.